Hello dear students, welcome to YouTube channel Learn with Gisla. In this video of number systems, we are going to learn how to find irrational numbers between the given two positive numbers, say A and B. Now there are two methods to solve such type of questions. In the first method, we are going to find the root of A and B to get an irrational number between both of these numbers, say A and B. And in the second method, we are going to write these two numbers in the decimal form. So let us take up each method together with some solved questions. According to first method, we are just going to find the root of the given two numbers, that is AB, which will give us an irrational number between these two numbers A and B, where the product of AB should not be a perfect square. Now why the product of AB should not be a perfect square? Because otherwise the root of AB we will get an rational number instead of an irrational number. So to find an irrational number between the given two numbers, say A and B, we just have to find the root of these two numbers, root of AB. Now let us take up a question. Find an irrational number between first part is 1 and 2, second part is 1 and 3, third part is 3 and 4. So let us start with the first part. An irrational number between 1 and 2 is root of 1 into 2, which is equal to root of 2. Now an irrational number between 1 and 3 is root of 1 into 3, which is root of 3. Now the third part, an irrational number between 3 and 4 will be product of 3 and 4 under a root, that is root of 12, right? Now let us take up one more question which is based on first method. Find two irrational numbers between 2 and 3. Now the first irrational number I am going to find between 2 and 3. So that will be root of 2 into 3, that is root 6. Now second irrational number I am going to find between 2 and root 6, which we have already calculated. So I can say root of 2 into root 6, which is root of 2 times root 6. So the two irrational numbers between 2 and 3 are, one is root 6 and another is root of 2 into root 6, right? Now let us study the second method of finding the irrational numbers between the given two positive numbers, say A and B. Now according to the second method, we have to write these two numbers A and B into decimal form. Now why we need to write into decimal form? Because we know that an irrational number is a real number that cannot be written as a simple fraction. Whereas if you remember, rational numbers can be written in the form of P by Q. But irrational number is a real number that cannot be written in the form of simple fraction. And so we have to convert A and B into decimal form. Now by definition, an irrational number in decimal form is always non-terminating and non-repeating. That means the decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. Therefore, we have to convert A and B into decimal form, and then we can find infinite number of irrational numbers between them. Let us study with the help of a question. Write two irrational numbers between root 2 and root 3. Now root 2 is an irrational number whose decimal expansion is 1.414 and so on. And root 3 is also an irrational number whose decimal expansion is 1.732 and so on. So we can insert two irrational numbers between, or three irrational number, as many as we want, between root 2 and root 3 are 1.525, 225, 222 and so on, 1.61, 661, 661 and so on, 1.567, 566, 777, 5666, 74 times and so on. Approximately we can say it is equal to 1.53, 1.62, 1.57. So we can find infinite many irrational numbers between the given two positive numbers, that is A and B. Now if you see, these irrational numbers which I have found are between 1.4 and 1.7. So between 1.4 and 1.7 I can write 1.5, 1.6 and I can also get 1.57 and so on, right? Let us take up one more question based on second method. Write two irrational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are the two rational numbers, and between these two we have to find two irrational numbers. So first of all, according to the second method, we shall convert 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 into decimal form. So 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6 and 4 by 5 is equal to 0.8. So two irrational numbers, between them we can write 0.61, 611, 6111, 6 and so on. And next we can take 0.75692843 and so on, or we can have another set of irrational numbers as 0.65298145 or 0.7691364112. Any two irrational numbers between 0.6 and 0.8 will be our answer. So we can find infinite irrational numbers between the given numbers, and the given numbers were rational numbers, but we found two irrational numbers between these two given rational numbers, right? Let us take some more questions related to second method. Question 3 is write two irrational numbers between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now 1 by 7 and 2 by 7 are both rational numbers. We have to find two irrational numbers between these two rational numbers. So method is same. According to second method, we have to convert A and B into decimal form. Since they are rational numbers, so decimal expansion of rational numbers is non-terminating but repeating. Whatever repeating digits are there, we put them under the bar. So 1 by 7, the decimal expansion is 0 point. Under the bar we have 142857. That means this block of digits will be repeated. 2 by 7, the decimal expansion is 0 point. Under the bar we have 285714. Right. Now between these two decimal forms we can have two irrational numbers like 0.15050050005. We can also have 0.20, 200, 2000 and so on. So we can find infinite number of irrational numbers between the given decimal forms of the rational numbers. Let us move to fourth question. Write three irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. Now 5 by 7, 9 by 11 again are rational numbers whose decimal expansion is 0.7142857 and so on. It is non-terminating but repeating. Again 9 by 11 will be 0.818181 and so on. Now, so the three irrational numbers between these two decimal forms, we can have 0.720, 7200, 72000. We can have 0.731, 7311, 73111. We can also have 0.80, 800, 8000 and so on. Or another set of irrational number we can also write like this: 0.726749, 0.738454, 0.7585635, and so on. So any set of irrational number you can take as an answer, right? So this is it, children. Hope you have understood how to find irrational numbers between the given two positive integers a and b. Thank you everyone. Have a great day ahead.